Experiment. Explore. Enjoy.
Hey Art, how you doing?
Hi, I'm fine.
So I was sent here by Mylar Melodies, who just
Oh,
came back
amazing.
and went,
Yeah.
wow, you got to check this thing out. So here I am. So tell me about it. It looks,
Nice to see
looks
you guys
great.
here. Yeah, yeah. We have the drop. We announced it yesterday. It's our first instrument. Yeah, and it's a mad crazy machine. Yeah.
What does it do? What's the kind of concept?
We call it the Analogue Groovebox, a mad machine box, a rhythmical, I don't know, happy accident machine.
Okay.
Yeah, yeah.
All right. So
Yeah,
just explain.
There are many different ways how you can play. You can trigger with your finger.
Okay. So is it like a kick? Is it a kick machine?
Kick, bass, you know, Groovebox, more than only kick. Kick, hi-hats, bass, sounds, weird
okay.
noises. Yeah, I'll show you later what we can do with the different modules and by patching them. Also possible to with fingers, finger patching.
Right.
Yeah, and of course, bananas. Let's patch.
There's a lot of drive in it.
Yeah, definitely. We have a lot of saturation and distortion in the box. Yeah.
So
Yeah.
can you take me through the individual parts?
Yeah,
'Cause
sure,
I can hear
sure.
the bass drum.
Yeah,
I'm not quite
yeah,
sure
yeah,
what
yeah.
else I'm hearing.
Yeah. Okay. So we have the tone generator section here. The kicks and basses are coming from here. We have the mixer section over here where you can blend the different oscillators. Then we have the noise gain generator. Let me take the modulations off. It has six modes you can switch between. Some of them are self-oscillating in playing a more oscillator sound, which can be also modulated.
Right. Okay.
Then we have the click, which is just making a click sound,
Yeah.
which can make also, I will show it maybe later, I hope, really crazy synth sounds, just this click sound. Yeah, and then we have two LFOs. The first LFO, this synth is a semi-modular synth, so it means the first LFO is connected to the divider, but you are able to bypass the clock by sticking the banana entirely inside, or if not, this switch has two functions. If it's not entirely inside the socket, it combines the first LFO with the second source what you give him. It can be a second LFO. So now we have two LFOs playing at the same time. Let's hear how it sounds. That's nice.
Ah, so they go up to audio rate. Yeah.
Yes. Oh yeah. Let's go to audio rate, by the way. Let's go really crazy to audio rate. Now I'm taking the second LFO when feeding the trigger input. Here we go. TB.
Yeah, it sounds like quite a TV, doesn't it?
Yeah.
Now, could you do a kick on the fours for that?
Not really. It's now we are in ridiculously fast LFO territories now.
Gotcha.
It's extremely fast. It's so fast that it's actually making the click sound again.
Into it, right.
Yes, yeah.
So what does the drop button do? That's the sort of...
Oh yeah, that drop button has two functions. Let me show you. Let me connect something real quick. So the drop has two functions. One is triggering with the fingers. Second one is, let me show. Oh, that's funny.
Like that.
Yeah, me too. So now I can stop the kick by holding the drop.
That's bonkers. Fantastic. So I mean, I'm at a loss as to where on earth did this idea come from? I mean, it sort of just sounds like.
Yeah, it's a long story.
Was it a dream or something?
Yeah, you know, I'm a musician, I'm not an engineer, so I had the idea of building crazy instruments with mad people, so I finally found mad engineers, and yeah, we started the company. It was a small module at the beginning, and we added and functions, and you know, and
So-
so become this monster.
So do you think, I mean, it seems like it's like a live thing. It seems like be really good for live. right?
Definitely, yeah, to playing live, yeah, definitely. And if you play at home, make sure you record everything what you do.
Yeah, it's one
Yeah,
I know.
yeah.
A happy accident machine.
Yeah.
So
Yeah.
where are we? Are you in production? What's the?
In 3 months, we are ready to ship. Yes, we started the production right now. We introduced it yesterday, so yeah.
Right. Okay.
Yeah,
And what
yeah.
sort of price? Do you know how much? It's
750 euros probably, around
Is that
about. Yeah.
in tax plus tax or?
Yeah, probably with tax already and German tax. Yeah.
And can you control it? Can you trigger it from external as well?
There is a possibility. Yes, we have a clock in. Yes, it reacts of course to analog clock signals. Yeah.
Right.
So it can also be MIDI synced if there is a source which has analog clock and a MIDI function. Yeah. Hmm.
Brilliant. Thank you, Art.
Yeah.
Fantastic.
Thanks for coming. Yeah.